Welcome to Study Loop.
So here we have our car, okay, and it has a mass of 1200 kgs, and the velocity here is 18 meters per second, okay. So part A is finding kinetic energy, which will be given by half m into v square, all right, where m is mass and v is velocity, okay. So this will be half into 1200 into 18 square, which will be equal to 19440 joules. All right, this is our kinetic energy, and this is the part A complete. Now part B, okay, we want to find our energy, all right, in calories. So how do we do that? We convert joules and divide it by 4184. So here we will have 19440 and divide it by 4184 and convert it into calories. Okay, so this will be equal to 46.463 calories. All right, now for part C, let's say this is our flat road, okay, and our car is moving in this direction. Okay, this is our car and it's moving in this direction. So let's say at this point our car applies the brake. All right, let's say at this point our car applies the brake, and the brakes start to heat up. All right, the brakes start to heat up due to rubbing. So what will happen? Let's say it takes some distance and then our car here stops at this point. Okay, our car stops at this point. So what has happened? Since this is a flat road, there will be no potential energy gain. There will be no potential energy gain. Okay. On the contrary, since the brakes were applied when the car was moving, what will happen is that the brake, when applied on a car, let's say this is the wheel, okay, and brakes are applied on this, what will happen is that, let's say the brake pad is here, okay. So when the brake pad is applied to the wheel will start to rotate, and it will the wheel will start to decelerate using because of the brake pad causing friction. Ultimately, this brake pad will start to heat up, right? This brake pad will start to heat up, and all the kinetic energy of the wheel will be lost due to friction, right? And this friction will result in heat generation, right? This friction will result in heat generation. Thus, all the kinetic energy which was gained by the car while moving when the brakes are applied will be lost, okay, and it will be lost by in the form of heat generation and not in any kind of potential energy. If you have any further doubts, please feel free to let me know. I'll be very happy to help.